This Evil Energy 10-AN fuel line combines a thick CPE rubber core, stainless steel reinforcement, and a tightly woven nylon braid to deliver a durable hose that feels solid in hand and resists kinking. Its construction is designed to tolerate very demanding fluid systems, handling high working pressure and sharp pressure spikes that would quickly fatigue cheaper rubber hoses. The hose is compatible with a wide range of automotive fluids, including fuel, diesel, oil, transmission fluid, and hydraulic fluid, which makes it a versatile choice for custom builds and upgrades. Because it holds up well across a broad temperature range, it is suitable for both daily driven vehicles and performance applications that see extended heat soak. The 10-foot length and generous inner diameter give you enough material and flow capacity for common tasks like fuel supply, return lines, and transmission cooler plumbing on many vehicles. Clear installation guidance and the standardized 10-AN sizing, intended for use with 10-AN swivel hose ends, make it straightforward to cut, assemble, and route cleanly, even if you are not a professional mechanic.